Welcome everyone to today's lecture on fostering interaction and feedback through effective communication. In presentations, it's not just about delivering a message. It's also about engaging an audience and inviting the participation. In this session, we'll explore why effective communication is crucial for encouraging interaction and feedback in presentations, and strategies to achieve it. Number one, engaging your audience. Effective communication is key to engaging your audience and fostering interaction. Captivate attention. Use compelling storytelling, thought-provoking questions, or interactive elements to capture your audience interest from the start. Encourage participation. Create opportunities for audience interaction through Q&A sessions, polls, or group discussions, fostering a sense of involvement and ownership in the presentation. 2. Active listening and responsiveness. Effective communication involves active listening and responsiveness to your audience input. Listen attentively. Demonstrate active listening by paying close attention to audience questions, comments, and feedback, showing respect for their contribution. Respond thoughtfully. Provide thoughtful responses to audience inquiries, addressing their concerns or inquiries with clarity and professionalism. Number 3. Building rapport and connection. Effective communication helps build rapport and connection with your audience. Show empathy. Communicate with empathy and understanding, acknowledging and validating your audience perspectives and experiences. Create a dialogue. Foster a two-way dialogue with your audience, encouraging open communication and exchange of ideas throughout the presentation. 4. Creating a safe environment. Effective communication establishes a safe and inclusive environment for audience participation. Encourage diverse perspectives. Welcome diverse viewpoints and opinions, creating a safe space for respectful dialogue and exchange of ideas. Respectful communication. Set a tone of respect and inclusivity in your communication, ensuring that all audience members feel valued and heard. Number 5. Soliciting and utilizing feedback. Effective communication involves soliciting and utilizing feedback to improve your presentation skills. Ask for feedback. Actively solicit feedback from your audience on their perceptions, preferences, and areas for improvement. Utilize feedback. Use feedback to refine your presentation approach, addressing any identified weaknesses or areas of concern to enhance your communication effectiveness. Number 6. Strategies for encouraging interaction and feedback. Let's explore some practical strategies to encourage interaction and feedback through effective communication in presentations. Create opportunities for participation. Incorporate interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, or group activities to encourage audience participation and engagement. Allocate time for audience questions and comments throughout the presentation, fostering a sense of dialogue and collaboration. 8. Be approachable and accessible. Be approachable and accessible to your audience, inviting questions and feedback in a welcoming and non-intimidating manner. Foster an environment where audience members feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and opinions openly. Actively listen and respond. Listen attentively to audience questions and comments, demonstrating respect and attentiveness to their input. Respond thoughtfully and professionally to audience inquiries, addressing their concerns with clarity and empathy. Conclusion. Effective communication is essential for encouraging interaction and feedback in presentations. By engaging an audience actively listening and responding to their input, building rapport and connection, creating a safe environment for participation, and soliciting and utilizing feedback, you can foster meaningful dialogue and collaboration with your audience. In the next lecture, we'll discuss overcoming barriers and challenges in presentation. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level,
consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.